Welcome back to In-Person Learning. We are excited about your choice to have your student return to in-person learning. Before your child can begin in-person learning, we need for you to complete the Parent COVID-19 Compact. This agreement has been formatted in a survey that you will be invited to complete via email. When you get the email, you'll click the link and it will take you to the parent portal. You will click Campus Parent, your username, and password. Log in, and the link will have you open right to the message center in the parent portal. You're going to click the surveys tab at the top right hand corner of the message center, and you will see the City Schools of Decatur COVID-19 Compact. When you click on that compact, it will open up the survey. And when you get into the survey, it's going to ask you, please read it very carefully and understand that by checking each of the boxes, you are agreeing to those items. And each of those items are things that all of the families who are sending children back to in-person learning are agreeing to these items. So once you have checked all of the boxes and read carefully and understand what you are agreeing to, you're going to type your student's name, and then you are going to select the grade level for your student and type their lunch number and select the school that they attend and type your name as the parent. This typing of your name serves as the signature, and then you're going to click complete. When you're finished with the survey, you'll see this screen thanking you for taking the survey. You're going to have to go back in to the message center and click the survey again and complete it for each child that you are sending back to in-person learning.